Hello again. One of the questions we get asked most in the Pi Deck project is, can I combine two cheap stereo interfaces to make a 4-channel sound card? Okay, so here's an example of that. We're taking here the Phonic Digitrack, which is just has line input. There's no phono preamp on this, and the Citronic AC1 USB, which is similar, but it does have a phono input. So these two cards both have the same Burr Brown chipset inside. They're very simple. The Phonic one came from a thrift store that cost me about sort of €6 or €7, something like that. And the Citronic came from eBay, and I guess it cost maybe 15, €16, something like that. So about as cheap as it gets for audio interfaces. So do they work? Well, let's take a look. So I've got the CDJ hooked up here, and I've got a turntable hooked up to the other one. And let's have a listen. I'm going to I'm using the dicer again. So yes, it does work. And what we've done is we've added a little script to the startup of the Pi Deck, so that if you have two of these similar USB interfaces, then that will be detected and set up for you automatically. They don't have to be exactly the same, but obviously the analog level output could be slightly different between different models. So yeah, two the same is probably best. But if you don't have a 4-channel sound card, this could be the most inexpensive way to set up your Pi Deck. So yeah, look out for the 0.2 release Pi Deck coming soon from GitHub, and please do subscribe for more Pi Deck videos.